Hello and welcome to another 1 Minute with Belzona. My name is John Fair. I'm a chemical engineer here at Belzona TKL department. Today, we're going to talk about how Belzona can help repair and maintain machinery and equipment in the marine industry. Marine vessels routinely face varied and severe operating conditions. Due to many metallic components being exposed to weather, salt water, and galvanic effects, being able to deal with the effects of or even prevent corrosion is critical. Marine equipment also suffers from cavitation, impingement, and entrainment, which can lead to performance failure of conventional coatings and lead to further corrosion. Belzona offers long-term protection and repair solutions proven by years of successful experience with ships and offshore structures. Our unique solutions are designed to fit each client's specific needs. Some application areas examples in the marine industry include engine blocks, stern tubes, bow thrusters, propellers, port nozzle, tail shafts, rudders. With almost 70 years of experience, we can safely say their range of coatings and composites have been carefully formulated to address the various issues found in the marine industry. I hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.